Hello. How is everybody? Okay, wait, I'm gonna add a filter because I feel like not this one. That one. Should I do it without the filter? I don't know. I haven't slept much. I was shooting at night and I feel like I'm looking at myself. Okay, so I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna look at you, all of you, and thank you so much. Hi Gautam, how are you? My very talented friend, designer. Hi Gautam Rakha, how are you? Hi Anam, how are you? Oh my god, I have to add Anam because at all. Anam, can you like come on my live? Because I haven't seen your face. Hi Neelu. Hi everybody who's joining. Whoa, there are like 7,500 people. I just thought I should come on this live because I haven't been very active on my Instagram page for the last 2 days because I have been shooting and I'm not in Mumbai. So I thought this is the best time to get in touch with all of you and let you know that I'm doing okay and I hope you guys are doing amazing. Um, and hi Akil, how are you? Okay, I have a very important question for Akil. I want to ask him. I want to ask him if he wants to go live with me, but I don't know where he is. I can't find him anymore. Um, Hi Trideep. Trideep, I really miss working out with you. I'm going to come back and we're gonna have a session. So Anam, why don't you join my live, dude? I sent you a message. I mean, a request. Why are you not accepting, huh? गोवा जाके मतलब इतना ज़्यादा attitude. So yeah, hi chef. It's yum. It's really good. Thank you. It's our specialty. It's really good. We do it the way you get in shop. I know. It's really good. I was in fact just praising it online. Okay. Thank you so much, chef. Um. So yeah. Okay, fine. Anam's not joining me. By the way, just to let you know, when you're eating at restaurants and when you're traveling all across the world, you must pay compliments to the chef if you love the food. I think they really, appreciate that, and they serve you with so much love. So there you go. I was just thanking the chef here in Lucknow, and he's made some really yum galoti kebabs. Yum. Hi Raheel, how are you? My God, long time. How are you doing? Um, आपके रील बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. Thank you, Vanisha. Um, oh yeah, I actually loved my HDFC collaboration because I thought it was a really cool way that we shot it. And everybody keeps asking me who shoots your videos. Of course, it's Zed. He shoots it, he edits it, he directs me. So he's fantastic. So shout out to you, Zed, for being so multi-talented and also loving me. um, all world girl, no beautiful, only you so much beautiful, says Raja. That's so sweet. Thank you, Raja. But I feel like everybody's beautiful. सब ही बहुत खूबसूरत होते हैं, अपने अपने way में होते हैं. So I thank you for the compliment. But honestly, I believe there are way more beautiful girls than me. I'm sure. Um, but हाँ, मैं अपनी favorite हूँ. Assalamu alaikum, Gohar Khan said, Arifa says, आप दोनों की जोड़ी माशाल्लाह. Thank you so much, guys. We need all your love. Um, we need all your blessings. So, hi Munzreen, how are you? God, I miss everybody. Um, so I'm in Lucknow, like I said. I'm shooting. I'm Bhabhi G. I love how they call me Bhabhi and G. So sounds so cool, right? I really miss Nigar also. She's come to India, and guess what? I'm shooting in Lucknow. So my sister is like, again, whenever I'm in need, like whenever I'm in like a need for someone to like take over, Nigar's always there. So thanks, Nix, for coming on, for coming here and taking over from me. Um, she's working in Bombay while I'm working in Lucknow on two different things. But yeah, if you have any questions, I'm here for another 5 minutes. Let me know. Moon is like, you're the best. And so are you, my darling. By the way, your picture today was fantastic on your page. I loved it. It was very like stylish. Um, and your nature is so beautiful. Ansari Fizza Queen, thank you so much. I think that's the best compliment that anybody can give me and anybody can have, because I feel your heart is so much more important than your face. Asmita Sluggy says G means gem. Thank you so much. She's the girl who spotted me in the car, by the way. um, हिंदी बोलो यार. अच्छा, मैं हिंदी में ही बोल रही थी. आई थिंक यही तो प्रॉब्लम है. बिग बॉस में भी मुझे लगता था कि मैं हिंदी में ही बोल रही हूँ, लेकिन कई बार मुझे टोका जाता था क्योंकि जब मैं सीजन 7 में नई नई थी, आई यूज्ड टू टॉक अ लॉट इन इंग्लिश. तो बाद में मैंने तो बहुत हिंदी बात की, ओनली हिंदी बात की. तो अभी चलो मैं हिंदी में बात करती हूँ. Rayan, I know. My God, I know you've been calling me and I've been missing your calls. I'm so sorry. My life is just like going in a tizzy, as you know. So I'm sorry. I'm going to call you tonight, okay? In like a few minutes. Siddiqui says, welcome to Lucknow. Thank you so much. I'm watching Big Boss season right now. Mohibullah. Oh yeah, by the way, 9 o'clock, Big Boss must be going on and I'm not watching it because I'm eating food so that I can go to shoot. So if you want to know how I got these amazing curls in my hair and why does my hair look all shiny, I'm going to post the product tomorrow on my page, so you can have a look. I'm very excited about this new machine that I have. You're a gem, you're superb, so come with the new season of Khan Sisters, says Divya. I don't know when that's going to happen, but thank you so much. I met you in London at Chuck 89. I love you lots. Rosh Gray. Thank you so much. Um, when are you getting married? Maham Malik. Well, I already put that out on my Instagram page, so go check it out. Um, yeah, so actually give me some suggestions of songs that you'd like to see me in some reels on my page, because every time I'm doing some reels, I can't figure out a piece of music. So give me some suggestions, okay? Where are you from? Says Agul Zareen. A little late to knowing me, by the way. I'm from everywhere. I'm a musafir. You should check out my page if you want to know where I'm from. Um, Manisha, hello. Pranjal, hi. Sheikh Munira, hi. एक बार मेरा नाम ले ले. मोइन राना ले लिया. राबता सॉन्ग कौन सा है? कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, वो वाला. अच्छा ठीक है. हाय बेटे, हाउ आर यू? रूपिन, थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. Love from Nepal, says Ipram. Love you, Gao, says Gorkhan Squad. Thank you for all your work, by the way. How did you know Zed is the one? Hanan said. I don't know. When you know, right? You just know. It's the way he makes me feel. Like the luckiest girl in the world. Alhamdulillah. Um, Dimple Patra says, reply to my comment. I didn't see your comment. आप अजमेर आई थी 2017 में. Soulful Wasim. I थी, yes. Hi from Bangladesh. Hi Rahman, how are you? Eyebrows क्यों ऐसे है? मेरे eyebrows ऐसे ही है भाई. अब ऐसे है तो ऐसे ही है. Sabah Siddiqui, thank you so much. What more questions? Hi everybody who's saying hello. Hi. All right, so thank you for joining me. My battery is too low, guys. I have to go. Lipstick shade you're wearing currently? I'm wearing a lipstick shade called Whirl. 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 It's by MAC. Ma'am, save the life, please. Okay, I will. Hey Gaur, I'm watching your season right now. Lots of love from California. Thank you so much. From Seattle. What about? Hi, everybody. Hi from Seattle, Nikki. Oh, looking very pretty. Thank you so much. All right, so gotta go. Battery's low. I love you all. Stay safe. spread love, try and stay away from negativity, and yes, please inspire people to stop littering. People are just throwing things here and there. I can't believe people come to airports. I had seen Vikrant Massey's post today, um, and it's disheartening to actually realize that that's what happens. People travel by air. That means they can afford air tickets, but they don't know how to chuck the plastic bags off their face shields in a dustbin. इतनी जहालत है तो please if you see someone littering, if you see someone throwing things on the streets, at the airport, on the station, if you see people spitting here and there, stop them. Be polite, but stop them and tell them how they are ruining your own country. So yeah, that's the message for today. Okay, आपकी शिखजादे मूवी में acting amazing है. Thank you, Smiley. Thank you so much. Okay, gotta go, guys. Hi, Momo. How are you? Mohammed Ali is here. Um, when are you guys coming back? Um, anyway, lots of love to all of you. You're looking so beautiful, says Alia. Thank you so much. Um, okay, gotta go. I love you all. Oh, Bhabhi ji, so cute. It's so funny. Even Moon just called me Bhabhi ji. Anyway, I have to save my voice. I've got like shoot to do. Love you all. Bye. Mwah. See ya.